This week I'm testing the Haval H2. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Haval H2 there are ISOFix in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides and they are a little bit difficult to access. On the back of all three seat backs there are top tether anchorages within plastic guides that are really nice and easy to connect to. Now I did try two big forward facing child seats in here and I could only fit two. However, once I put a rear facing in and move them around a bit, I could actually get three child seats in here, which is fantastic. I found with the rear facing seat, a 182 centimetre driver could sit in front, which was really good, and legroom is actually quite good in the Haval. Storage in the back of the Haval H2 is quite good. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. There are two cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. The door bins are a really good size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there are storage wells in all the handles of all the doors too. Storage in the front is quite good. There are two cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There's a central console storage bin behind that, which isn't a bad size and is rubber lined. In front of the gear lever is a little storage area you can pop your phone in, and there's a 12-volt socket there too. The glove box is quite small. I could just get my iPad in there with my wallet, and there's a little glasses case on the ceiling up here. The door bins are a good size in the front. They will hold a large refillable water bottle and my iPad or wallet fitted in there as well. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Haval H2. Empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller with no shopping bags, the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 2 shopping bags, the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 3 shopping bags, the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 6 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Haval H2 is quite a nice car to drive if you're just poodling around town. However, if you've got any hills to go up, this car really struggles. It's like it can't find second gear and really struggles the first thing in the morning. It also doesn't have a digital speed readout, which I find really irritating, and it bings and dongs every time you go over 100 kilometers an hour. Even if the speed limit is actually 110, it becomes really, really irritating on the motorway, especially if you've got kids asleep in the back. The H2 does have a rear seatbelt removal alert in the bottom of the rear view mirror, which is a really good baby drive feature. The media system in the H2 is very basic. It doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and as you can see there's no screen. So there's no reversing camera or sensors. It's very, very basic. To sum up with the Haval H2, the drive and media system I found disappointing, but it does fit 3 child seats, which is a really good baby drive feature, and the price is pretty good.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.